Hi my people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Now, are you actually looking for a solution for your stretch marks, or you have been trying a lot of stuff and it's not working, and it has actually been frustrating you, like you don't know what to do at all? You are so eager, you are so angry, it is actually very embarrassing. Well, look no more guys, because this home remedy is actually very simple, let me tell you that. But don't underestimate it, because it's going to get rid of all of your stretch marks. Okay, now let me tell you one thing: stretch marks do not actually go like the speed of the lights like that, but you have to always rub this thing that I'm going to be showing you. It's going to get rid of all of it, and you are going to be pleased with your results. Okay, so if you want to know what it all comprises, please do continue watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up this video and share the video, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Okay, all right, follow me on Instagram and drop your questions on my website. Let's dive into this video. Then you're going to be needing aloe vera. Now you can either use this one or the fresh aloe vera. So I have this ones, any one I want I can use, but for this stretch marks we're going to be needing this aloe vera. Okay, because it helps so much. It's a moisturizing therapy that helps for sunburn, dry skin and irritated skin, and it also helps for stretch marks, okay, pimples and dark spots. Okay, so we're going to be taking the aloe vera first. Okay, so I'm gonna be pumping out 1 tablespoon of this aloe vera. Okay, so it's actually full. Okay, I hope you were seeing all what I was doing. Alright, so we're just gonna be needing 1 tablespoon of that, guys. To be needing petroleum jelly. Alright, so I'm gonna be using you're gonna be needing Vaseline, guys. Okay, so Vaseline helps to moisturize the skin, and it also helps to soften the skin, so it's going to be perfect for the stretch marks. And now we're going to be taking in the Vaseline. Okay, so we're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. You can either take more or you take less, depending at your preference, guys. And then we're going to be needing vitamin E oil, or you can use vitamin E capsule. Now this one is cheaper than this. This is more expensive, but it lasts long. The two does the same job, guys. If you can grab the vitamin E capsule or the vitamin E oil, is still the same. Okay, vitamin E oil helps so much in repairing the skin, so you really need this. It's going to help so much in removing all of your stretch marks. Okay, then for the vitamin E oil, I'm going to be taking in ½ teaspoon. Fast, guys, you're gonna be needing this tea tree oil. Is actually an essential oil. Okay, this tea tree oil goes deep into the skin, and it helps to exfoliate and remove stretch marks. Alright, so that's the very first ingredient. Okay, then I'm going to be putting in 4 drops of tea tree oil. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is actually 5 drops. Then we're going to be needing rose water and glycerin. Now this helps to reduce the redness of the skin and of the body. Okay, so you need this a whole lot. And then we're going to be putting in the rose water. Okay, for the rose water we're going to be needing half teaspoon of that. Yeah, that is perfect. Okay, and now we're just going to be mixing all of this together. So I'm going to stir and mix, and you're going to mix really well so that all the wonderful ingredients would mix so well. And it's going to be, if you actually use tea tree oil essential oil, you're going to love the smell as well. It smells really nice. So you're just going to try to press in the petroleum jelly, which is the Vaseline. Okay, let me make sure. We're going to make sure to mix it very well so that all of the ingredients mixed and mix well. Okay, alright guys, so when you're done with this, you're going to take this treatment, you're going to apply it. This is actually going to serve as a cream, guys. If you've watched my videos where I showed you guys how to scrub your skin when you have stretch marks, now immediately you're done scrubbing your skin, you can use this cream, apply it on that part where you have the stretch marks, and then you massage it very well for all of the ingredients to go into your skin. You can see this is actually going in and also making my skin very glossy and shiny. Okay, so you have to apply much and you massage it till it sink really deep into your skin until you don't feel any much of the cream anymore. Okay, so that's basically how you're going to apply this cream. All right, so guys, for this cream you can turn it into a container. If you have a petroleum container just like this, you turn it into there, and then you'll be using it every day. You can use it 2 times in a day, okay, for the space of few days or few weeks. All right, and all of your stretch mark, guys, will be gone. And make sure you rub this very well whenever you want to rub it. Apply it so well so that it sinks deep into your skin and remove all of the stretch marks. All right, so that's it, guys. Very simple, very all of the ingredients, I'm sure you are gonna look like, I'm sure you're gonna find it, okay, and it's not very difficult to, you know, mix together. So that's it. Go try that out, give it a try. I'm sure it's gonna work because it has always been working for me. Okay guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share the video. Follow me on Instagram, and bye guys.